How to use ChatGPT Playground. Let's get right into the video. Open any web browser. I'm using Google Chrome here. Go to the search bar and type OpenAI API key. Then press enter on the keyboard. Open the very first link appeared on the screen. Now this screen will appear. On the top of the screen you can see Playground. All you need to do is click on the playground. So this is the place to write question and answer will appear here. But before that you need to select the theme or the area of question and answer. For example, we're clicking on grammatical standard English, which will correct the grammar of the sentences that we are writing. For example, we have written she know went to the market, which is grammatically wrong. All we need to do is click on the submit button, which is on the bottom left corner. Now the sentence which is grammatically correct of the version that we have entered will appear on the screen. You can also go back to the pop-up and click on Q&A, which will allow you to ask questions to the ChatGPT and it will answer your following question. For that, you need to type a question and then click on submit. Then the answer will appear on the screen for your question. And how you can use ChatGPT Playground. That is all for today. Thank you so much for watching till the end. I really hope this video helped you out.